Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Raw Code. So in previous video, we built recently added products and most purchased products CUI, and also we created login and sign up route in our API. So in this video, we are going to build the login page and cart page, and also try to integrate login and sign up APIs in our front end. So let's get started. So in client, go to SRC and pages. So we have home page right now. This is our home page. And in header, if we go to header, so we have login and cart button in header. So this is our header, login and cart. So first of all, let's create a login page, and after that, try to integrate the login and sign up API. So in pages, create a new file, that is login.tsx rafce. Let's remove this import react part, and in our app.tsx we have to define the login route, and path is going to slash login, and element is going to our login. So first rename it, make it login page from login. So login page, and in login page also RAFCE, so it's const login page. Yeah, and in app.tsx, let's import it in the element. Yeah, so we define the route of login. If we go to slash login, then yeah, you can see the login page. So what I have to do, when we click on login, so it's go to login page. So after defining the route, go to header. This is header where our login and cart button present. In header, first we import navigation. Const navigate, use navigate, import it from React router DOM. So in login, on click, call a function which is navigate, and it's login. Yeah, so let's try. When we click on login, it's goes to login page, and that's it. And for login page, we use the Shadcn tab component. So let's check it out. What the tab component of Shadcn? Go to Shadcn in components, check out the tabs. You can see there is account and password. So we click on password, it changes to password. When we click to account, it changes to account. So we are going to use this one. So add this first. We have to close the server and paste it, enter. Let it install. It's created a file under the UI folder. So npm run dev. So server is running. Yeah. So first of all, let's import all the elements under the type components. So let's copy it, paste it. Yeah. And also copy this one and paste it here. and let's format it first. Yeah, that's good. Give it a class, that's flex call, justify center and items center. Let's check it out. Yeah, it is good. And I have to define a height of 100 VH. So it's going to in center. So let's remove it to 90 VH. Yeah, that's good. And in tab, let's default value is login with its 400 pixel. Okay, tab list and first value is login. Change it to login. Second value is sign up. Change it to sign up. Yeah. So after that, so also change this value. This is login for and this is for sign up. So yeah, for login this one, sign up this one. Yeah, it's good looking. And for tab list, make this width full so it's look good. Yeah, and also make this tabs trigger with full and also this one uh, with full. No, yeah, now it's looking good and it's in the center. That's great. And make one more thing, font going to be bold for both of them. And yeah, it's look more good now. In tab content in the login, we have to make input of email and password and also the input for sign up page as well, name, email and password. So for that we are going to use the input component of Shadcn. This is the input component. This is the simple input component, but in this we don't have to make it dynamic for dark and light theme. So add it npm, let it install. It's installed. Npm run dev, and yeah, after that. So first for the tab content, we have to define some styles here. It's flex call, and give a gap of 3. I think it's good. Same goes here. Copy this and paste in the sign up. Yeah. And for the login page, add the input button first. Not a button, input field with placeholder email and the second input field with placeholder password and define a type of it, type of email and type of password. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's good, good looking. And also we have to create a button here for login. Yeah, that's great, I think. And move to the sign up page. And sign up. Yeah, yeah, that suggestion is great. I'm going to confirm it, and also add an input field of name, and type is going to text for sign up. Yeah. So for now, remove the confirm password field. That's good. Sign up and login. Yes. So now we have to integrate API routes for login and sign up. So before integrating, uh, I have to do one more thing. Let's close the src folder. Okay, in the src folder, create a new file called config.ts. It's a simple TypeScript file, and here, okay, in the client folder, let's create a .env file and create a variable with with API URL, and API URL is going to http localhost 8000. Yes, in config.ts, const base URL is equal to import dot meta dot env dot API URL. It's actually with API URL. With API URL. Let's confirm it. Yes, with API URL. And here create a function const fetch data is equal to async. We are going to receive some parameters like URL. URL is string, and also method. It's also going to be string, and data. It's going to type of any, and header. Headers. It's going to type of any. So here let's fetch our data based on the given parameters. And for body, type is any, and by default its value is going to null, and same with headers. By default its value is going to null. So let's create an option here, const options, which is type of request init, and under it define the method. Method is going to method. Define header. Headers is going to content type application JSON, and the rest headers. Yes, that's great. That's after it we have to fetch the data according to the method. If the method is post, we are going to accept the data. If the method is get, we are not going to accept the data. Because in get data, we can't send data directly to backend. So let if method is not equal to get, and also the method is not equal to head. Method is not equal to head. So, and also it has body. It has body. Body body actually is this data, so change it to data because I define it as a data. So options dot body is equal to JSON dot stringify the data. Yes. So const race is equal to await fetch base URL and URL, whatever the URL parameter we receive, and options. Yeah. After it, const rest data is equal to await response. Okay. Response.json. Yeah. And finally, we return a JSON format with a status. The status is going to res.status, and data is going to res data, whatever res data it has. Yeah. And finally, we export fetch data. So yeah, it's good. So first parameter is URL, second is method, third is data, and fourth is header. So we have to send in data, email and password. First create a user state variable here, const email, set email, user state, import it, it's going to string, also const password and const name, and after that const handle login async. So we have to log in it. So first of all, before integrating, we have to set the value. In email, value is email, and on change e set email event dot target dot value. Same with the password. Value is going to password, and on change we have event, and we are going to set this event in the password. Set password e dot target dot value, and also in the sign up, same thing. For the name, value is name. On change we have event, and set name e dot target dot value, and email email and password is going to be same. So just copy it and paste it. Yeah. After it, we need to integrate. So first const response is equal to await fetch data, import the fetch data from config. Okay. And it's login, only login. Method is post. We have email and password in body, and nothing in headers. So this is login, and after login We whatever we receive, check the server in routes login.js. We return token. Okay, we return token. So for that token, first console.log.response. In the login button, set the on-click event and call this function handle login. Yes. So let's check before initializing. We have to start the server npm run dev, and my MongoDB is not started yet. So let's start the MongoDB. MongoDB path is equal to db path. Yes. Users Rosan data slash db. Password here. Yes. It's now connected to MongoDB. So let's open the our console and try to log in. It's it has data like that a user does not exist and with the status code of 404. So it's working perfectly, and also handle sign up, integrate this one. So I can sign up first, then log in with that. Same thing going to here, await fetch data, and route is going to sign up, and method is post. We are going to send name, email, and password, and an empty header. We are not going to send any header. Yes, and console.log response, and make on click. Yeah, call the function handle sign up. Let's check now. Let's refresh this page first. Go to sign up. Name going to be user1 and sign up. The status for 200 with data. Under the data we have message user registered successfully, and when we log in, okay, when we log in, its status is 200 with data. Under that data we have token, and we have that token. Yeah, we have stored the token in local storage. So let's if we create if res dot status is equal to 200, then local storage dot set item token res dot data dot token. Yeah, if response dot status is not equal to 200, then we can use it to display some error or any other thing, whatever you want. So yeah, let's set the token to local storage, and after setting the token to local storage, it's let's import first const navigate, use navigate from React Rotterdam, and after setting the local storage, it's navigate to home home route. simply the slash route. And yeah, it's done, almost done. Just log in. Yeah. If we see the local storage application, under the application, we see a local storage, and in local storage, we can see token here. We can change this like when we have token. So let's remove the login button. So in the home page, in the header, okay, let's check first thing. um, Const token is equal to local storage dot get item token. If I have token, then render this button like this. If I have token, then only render this button, otherwise not. So let's refresh it. Okay. If I don't have token, then render this button only. So you can see the button is now gone. Yeah. And same with I can do with cart button. If I have token, then render it only. So yeah, you can see I have token, so it rendering. If I delete, clear the local storage and refresh the page, then you can see we have login only. Let's click on login and login, and now we have cart. So yeah, in this video we implemented the login and sign up route, and also we see how to make a custom component of fetching the data, not every time writing the await fetch and with all the method and headers. We only write once in one component config.ts and call this fetch data with these four parameters only, and your API request is working fine from this without any error. That's it for today's video, and in the next video we are going to build the cart UI and also the product route and product models. If you need this project code, you can check out the description. You can find the GitHub link of this project. You can start this project and clone this project in your system and make some contribution in this project. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can check out the links in description, and also links are visible on screen. Thank you.